Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your HomePod home automation after iCloud sign-in. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore your HomePod home automation after signing into iCloud, start by ensuring your HomePod is plugged in and powered on. Open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Make sure you are signed in to the same iCloud account that you used previously with your HomePod. In the Home app, locate the HomePod icon. If you don't see it, tap on the Add Accessory button to refresh the available devices. Select your HomePod from the list of accessories. Once selected, you may need to enter your Apple ID password if prompted. After confirming your account, your HomePod will begin the restoration process. Wait a moment for the HomePod to sync and restore your previous settings and automations. During this time, you may see a progress bar indicating the status of the restoration. When the process is complete, a notification will inform you that your HomePod has been set up successfully. Now, check if your automations are reactivated in the Home app. Navigate to the Automation tab at the bottom of the screen. Review each automation to ensure they function as expected. If any automations appear missing, you may need to recreate them manually. To create a new automation, tap the plus icon in the Automation tab. Choose the type of automation you wish to set up and follow the prompts. After finishing your configurations, test your automations to confirm they work correctly. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your HomePod and repeating the steps. For complex issues, consider resetting your HomePod to factory settings and setting it up again. Enjoy your newly restored HomePod home automation. This process is straightforward, ensuring you get back to managing your smart home effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.